Welcome back to Let's Learn with Mrs. W. I'm Mrs. W, and today let's learn about the letter B.
Let's learn with Mrs. W. What are we learning today?
The letter B makes one sound. B. B. Ball. Can you think of any words that start with the letter B? Wow, look at all those words. B. Bounce. B. Baby. B. Bed. B. Bug. Can you think of any other words? Well done! Later on this week, we're going to be reading a book all about the letter B. And then we are going to learn how to make bubbles. So stick around until the end of the week. Thanks for learning with Mrs. W. See you later.